Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about binding energy for nucleon or binding fraction. This is also called as specific binding energy. Okay, what is the binding energy? Already we have discussed in previous video. Binding energy is the energy is used to separate the nucleons from its nucleus. So the binding energy, the energy is required to break the nucleus uh, into its constituent protons and neutrons. Okay, or suppose this is a heavy nucleus. So this if we want to break this nucleus into its constituent protons and neutrons, we have to supply some energy. So the energy required to break the nucleus into its constituent protons and neutrons, this much amount of energy is called binding energy. So what is a binding fraction or specific binding energy? So specific binding energy is the binding energy per nucleon or binding energy per mass number, that is binding energy per, so the binding fraction is equal to binding fraction or specific binding energy, so that is equal to binding energy per nucleon. Binding energy per mass number gives specific binding energy. Okay, the stability of the nucleus is not decided by binding energy. Only the specific binding energy decides the stability of the nucleus. That means stability of the nucleus is decided by specific binding energy only. So this is not stability is not decided by binding energy. Okay. So what is the specific binding energy? I will give you simple example here. For suppose two persons. So this person, his name is A. Or suppose his person name is B. So person A earns 40,000 per month. So okay, how much money earns 40,000 money earns by person A. So person B earns 48,000 per month. Okay, how many members are in his family? Here 4 members are in A family, 6 members are in B family. So what is the specific which person has high stability? So that means we can specify the amount of energy per person. So what is the amount of person here? What is the total amount? 40,000 by 4 members at 10,000. Each person earns 10,000 here. Here what is the amount per person here? So that is 48,000 by 6. So that is 8,000. Here 8,000 per person, here 10,000 per person. So which one has high stability? Person A have high stability here. So as like that, similar concept, same concept we can apply in atoms. For suppose here this is helium atom, helium 24. This is lithium. So this lithium is 3 6. Okay, here in this helium nucleus, how many protons and how many neutrons here? So protons are 2 protons, neutrons means 4 minus 2, 2 neutrons. Okay, what is the binding energy of this helium nucleus? So that is 28. Binding energy Be is equal to 28.29 mega electron volts. So in this lithium, how many numbers of protons here? Protons are 3 protons, neutrons, neutron number, that is 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Okay, how many number of nucleons here? 6 nucleons here. Here 4 nucleons. So 4 nucleons are in helium nucleus, 6 nucleons in lithium nucleus. So which one has high stability here? So now what is the binding energy of lithium nucleus? That is Be equal to 31.9 9. So mega electron volt. This is the binding energy of the lithium nucleus. This is the binding energy of the helium nucleus. So what is the binding energy per nucleon? What is the specific binding energy of the helium nucleus? What is the specific binding energy of the lithium nucleus? Let us see that. Specific binding energy of helium 24 is, what is that? Binding energy per mass number. That is a specific binding energy formula. Binding energy per nucleon or binding energy per mass number. What is the binding energy of the helium nucleus? That is a 28.29 by how many number of nucleons here? 4 nucleons. 2 protons, 2 neutrons. Okay, this helium made up of 4 nucleons. Okay, what is the binding energy per, what is the specific binding energy? It will give 7.07 mega electron volt. Now what is the specific binding energy? Specific binding energy of lithium. So that is binding energy per mass number. What is the binding energy of the lithium nucleus? That is equal to 31.99. So what is the mass number of the lithium nucleus? That is a 6. So we will get 5.33 mega electron volt. Which one has highest specific binding energy? That means helium nucleus has highest specific binding energy. So we can decide that which one is more stability. That means helium nucleus has more stability than lithium nucleus. That means specific binding energy decides the stability of the nucleus. Okay, binding energy is not decides the stability of the nucleus. Only specific binding energy decides the stability of the nucleus. Okay, this is a specific binding energy. So binding energy, already we discussed about that. This is specific binding energy. Okay, so next topic we will see in next video. Okay, thank you.